welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie. It's going to be a fun, fast little Friday freebie. Super simple now that we've already got our journal started, our little mini journal. Now, if you don't want to make a mini journal, just make journal cards. It's cute either way. Okay, so this is our next little spots in the garden that we're going to put in our journal, or make journal cards, whichever way you want to do that. It's a 2-pager. Just super pretty. I hope that comes through on the video really well because it's super pretty. Just so cute. We've got our tags. You can cut them apart and have 4 or fold them together and have 2. However you want to do that. We've got our couple little embellishments or paper doll bunny girls and our pockets. Just adorable. Okay, so now this is what we did last time. We got our front and our back on there, and we put our front pieces in with all of our stuff, right? And this is what we're doing this time. We're going to put our panels in with our pockets and all our stuff. We've got, now this is what I said, if you want to just make journal cards, that's cute. I mean, really, it is. I printed mine out smaller so they'll fit in these pockets, but you know, you have to. You can leave them big like this, and they'll fit into most journals that way. So, just saying. I just wanted them to fit in here. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get this together. This is the one we're going to be working on today. I don't have this in here. See? Now this is going to be where we put our signature in. So you want to give yourself a little bit extra room. Don't get crowdy in here on your fold. Okay? So let's do this. I have them sort of sorted out to where this little bunny girl's looking this way, this little bunny girl's looking this way. So I didn't really want to put them, you know, you can put them that way because the signature is going to be in there, so they're not really going to be looking at each other anyway. So ever how you want to do that, it's all good, right? Okay, so let's get this panel in here. These are just so cute, guys. I hope you're making them either, you know, the mini journal or journal cards or something, because they're just so cute. Now I have pre-taped, pre-inked, and all the things on these. So we're just going to have a quick fun Friday craft along with freebies. You can get the freebies on my website or the Facebook group page. Ever how you want to do that. Make sure you get them the right side up, because you know I can get complicated that way. Now on these, make sure you're leaving yourself enough room over here to open this up, okay? Because I'm gonna open that up. You know, like we did before, I think. Yeah, I'm going to open that up because I've got, yeah. Well, this one's the one we'll open, I suppose. You could open that one. Whichever one you want to open. Leave a little bit of extra room there. Because, yeah. You just don't want to crowd yourself anywhere. Okay? Because we got to put our extra garden spots in there. In my mind, that's what they are. Little places in the garden. Where they're doing different things, right? They could be gardening in the garden. They could be picking flowers. They could be doing this, that, the other thing. Playing. Whatever they want to do. It's a garden, right? Okay. Alrighty. Now, that's so pretty. It just is. Okay. I do like making something pretty. I hope you guys do too. Get some of this junk out of my way, because you got to get junk out of your way. Okay. Alright, yeah, I do print on the things I don't use, or it's a misprint, or I'm trying out a new journal kit or whatever. I save those papers because, you know, paper's got two sides, and cardstock, you're not going to see through it unless you got black on one side and white on the other. Then you're going to maybe see something. But most of the time you're not going to see anything on the other side. It's just, it's fine to print on the other side because you don't see anything, do you? So, yep, neither do I. So we're going to, again, don't crowd your fold, but leave a little room there, right? Because for me, this is the one I'm going to open. Yep, I'm going to open that one. So, yeah, I think we'll do what we do. When we get there, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. We'll put it that way, okay? All right. There we go. Just right around here. Good smattering of glue. If I do, it'll be this one. But if I open up the envelope, just, you know, if. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing what I'm doing. And so today is what we're going to deal with today. But you always have to plan out whatever you're going to do in the future so you make room for it, right? Just in case you do something. I know, I'm being silly again, but do you really expect anything else out of me? I don't know. I wouldn't if I were you. It is what it is. Okay. I didn't backside print this because who's going to see that? I mean, it is a gusseted pocket, but you'd have to really work hard to see the inside of it once you put it down. Just saying. If it were one of those that were, you know, open-upable or something, then that would be a thing. But, yeah. So, we're just going to tuck that under there. Give it a good roll. Okay. Yep. Now our other pocket. And I've already got my other things made up. So, like I said, really quick and easy. We're just putting these panels down. How simple is that? It's super easy. If you're a beginner, this is definitely the way to start. Just super easy. And you have something to bolster your confidence really quick because, you know, it comes together really fast. All you have to do is cut all this stuff out, then start layering it on here. So, it's not instant gratification, but it's pretty quick gratification. It makes you feel good. It does. There's scientific proof now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, excuse me, there was a study that was done a while back. Dr. Sanjay Gupta talked about it on his podcast about crafting being good for your mental health. So I talked about that on one of my videos, I don't know, a couple months ago or something. Anyways, I thought it was quite interesting, and I was just in total agreement with it. It is. It's good for us. So now there's scientific data to show what we've always known, that it's good for us. Okay, so on mine, I didn't take them apart. I did the foldy one, you know, because, well, it's cute. And you've got a little a little tag fold up. You can write in there. And I've got the minis. I didn't backside print this. We write on white all the time, guys. It's all good. And we've got a little paper doll that goes in that one. So, excuse my creepiness or whatever it is. Same. We've got these and these. Just cute. So, let's see. This one goes with this one, because I'm going to put like kind in like kind's pocket, right? There you go. Just too cute. I don't want her to fall down. I want to see her. Okay, now we're going to put this one in here. Is that adorable or what? Bring it up a little bit. Huh. Just too cute. Too cute, too cute. Now, of course, you know, I'm making two, but wouldn't that be just a cute gift for, well, anybody? Anybody. From young to old, this would be just a really cute gift. We've got these ones to do, and if we have, let's see, it depends on the weeks in the month. I try to put things in the month. This is just my way of weird thinking. I try to put things in the month that go together on the Fridays. So we've got, this was 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this open up will be our week 4. Yeah, we're good. We're going to do it. Cross the bridge when we get to it. Okay. But right now, we've got really beautiful little mini journal. And you know, with me, there's going to be a lot more lace. I'm just getting started. Okay? All right. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.